Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in the backyard, but I've got it, I'm here because I want to show you guys what I got here. This is, I got something and I'm going to use it for a different purpose. So let's see how these are. These are coasters, and I got some coasters. I probably got the wrong color, being colorblind. Hopefully it's not pink or something, but these are what I got here. So these are silicone kind of rubbery coasters. And my problem, or my reason I got, boy, they're stuck to the bag. The reason I got these is because out here, you see these are them flexible and they got the things here. They're actually pretty good looking. The reason I got them is because I have this thing here, was a fire pit. And when it rains and all, I don't want it to rust the concrete underneath. So I got these to put under the feet. So let's see how these go. So let's see if I can do that here. Let's see if I can do it one-handed and show you guys what I'm doing. Probably not. Oh, there we go. So that's what it looks like there. So it'll stay on there. Let me move it over a little bit. Yeah, there. So that's what it's gonna look like. So it'll hold the little feet, it'll keep it from rusting. So hopefully this is gonna work. But they seem pretty durable and stuff. Hopefully it's not just gonna dig through it and make a hole. I didn't even look at how the bottom of those were, but hopefully so. But these are very cool, so thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to these in the description so you guys can get some coasters, but this is what they look like if you wanted to get these particular coasters. I'll put the brand and everything like that in the description. So that's it, thumbs up, links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.